Hello everyone, I am Fernando Syamfitro. I'm studying in Faculty of Humanity and Healthy Majoring at University Balikpapan. Today I want to talking about healthy life. And on this occasion, I would like to share how to make garlic fermentation. Did you know the magic benefit of garlic fermentation? Garlic is a delicious seasoning that has long been used as flavor in cancer for many dishes. For thousands of years, it has also been used as medicine in China, Rome, Greece, Egypt, and Babylon. Eating garlic has also been known to reduce risk or help prevent major causes of death worldwide, infection, heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Found in garlic is a high concentration of content sulfur compound. Its main active component is thiosulfinate, which includes allicin. In addition, it also has high level of sulfur, zinc, potassium, phosphorus, and saponin. There are more than 150 studies that support more than 150 beneficial health of effect garlic. Most of this research is done on raw garlic and some is made on fermented garlic. When garlic is consumed raw, the taste can be spicy and causes a pungent breath. Therefore, you should try fermentation garlic. Benefit of garlic fermentation: according to research, garlic fermentation can increase health benefits. Some of the benefits of fermented garlic are follow. 1. During fermentation, sugar and amino acids are present in fresh garlic. Some of the benefits of fermentation garlic are as follow. 1. During fermentation, sugar and amino acid are present in fresh garlic and bring in growth bacteria. This process produces lactic acid which support the digestive tract. 2. During the fermentation period of garlic, high level of hydrogen peroxide are formed. This helps eliminate harmful molds, bacteria, virus, and microorganisms. 3. Fermented garlic has a much higher antioxidant activity than fresh garlic. How to make your own garlic fermentation? Fermentation of garlic is very easy and only takes a very short time. The material is 5 cloves of garlic, salt water, or apple cider vinegar. The first, peel the garlic, but make sure the cloves remain intact. Avoid cutting it because it will release allicin, the main health-producing compound. Secondly, put the garlic cloves in a clean jar and pour HCV or salt water until the garlic is covered. Third, cover the jar and leave it normal room temperature for about 2 or 3 weeks. The longer you store it, the stronger. You even keep it for years, but make sure you open the lid several times to release the pressure in the jar. After the fermentation is finished, you can put in the fridge to stop the fermentation process. Not the fermentation times depend on the climate and season. The warmer, the faster. Eat garlic every week. You can eat it just like that or also cut in and put in salad, sauces, or other dishes. Always take care of your healthy wherever you are.